Warning, this is an emergency message. Please, listen. There is an alternate killing people. It looks like the famous character Mickey Mouse. Please listen to this information that is being provided by us. Lock all doors, windows, and any openings to your location, including cracks. Never try to interact or interfere with it, as it will risk your
You're not alone. I'm here for you.
Make sure to have a weapon at all times. If he gets into your location and there is no weapon available, you must admit defeat and claim your fate. Never watch any type of Disney media on any device. Doing so will send your location to the anomaly. Stay indoors at all times. Stay safe.